Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel. And welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel. And thanks as well for joining me here. Especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What does Scorpio needs to know about money, love, career, business, and studies? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. If this is not resonates to you guys, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. All the black magic return to sender. All the black magic return to sender. No forms of weapons will prosper against me and the whole collective. In the name of Jesus Christ and the divine Most High. Amen. First, we have the Eight of Wands. We also have the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Hangman, the Star, the Two of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Ace of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Four of Cups. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Ten of Swords. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you, it could not be your energy. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world. And I am one of them. Take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Eight of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. It could also be a group of people. I feel like you are going to have a trouble. For some of you, you are going to leveling up. It could also be that you are going to receive a quick and clear communication. And this is all about positivity. Maybe for some of you, you have a promotion in your career, your job. It could also be that you are planning to travel with your family, or you are planning to travel alone. Others of you, maybe you are going to travel and work, or it could also be that somebody wants to travel towards on you. It could also be that this person wants to have a romantic travel with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be a Sagittarius, could also be other sign. For most of you, this is related to leveling up and traveling. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the obstacles and influences in this reading is the Three of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there are at least 3 people or more who wants to collaborate with you. I don't know what is your skills. Maybe this group of people seen or viewed you that you have a potential to success, and that's why this group of people wants to collaborate with your skills, with your talents, with your knowledge. It could also be related to your creativity, could be a new business venture or an investment, and there is success and recognition here. Others of you, you are co-collaborating with the universe, and there is also success and recognition here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn, and this person wants to collaborate with you. Could also be that this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. I don't know who is this person in your life. Normally, this is a Capricorn energy. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story. There is success in collaboration here. And we have here the Page of Pentacles. This is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You realize that you have a potential in doing this creativity. Could also be a new investment or a business venture. And I feel for some of you that you are ambitious. You have courage and perseverance to take an action with this new creativity. It could also be that somebody is presenting this to you. This is a message, a page. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to present this to somebody else who embody the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But the Page of Pentacles is embody the energy of a Virgo. Could also be you are going to offer this to Virgo, or this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign will offer this to you. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. For most of you, this is your energy. You are ambitious and you want to take an action with this creativity. You are gathering some information as well, and you want to take an action further with this creativity and investment or a new business venture. And we have here, this is the energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you, you are sacrificing in your workplace or in your relationship. It could also be in your family. I don't know. For most of you, you have an epiphanies. If this is related in your workplace, maybe you are sacrificing. It's because you want to pay your monthly bills every month. Maybe in your workplace, there are lots of people who are draining your energy, who give you stress. And I feel like for some of you, you are not planning to resign because maybe you believe that you cannot find another job, and that's why you are sacrificing. If this is related to your family, maybe you are willing to save this relationship with your family. For some of you, maybe you are a breadwinner and you are still working because you want to support your family. I don't know what is your story. But for most of you guys, you have an epiphanies. You have a sudden realization of all the things. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Pisces wants to see you suffer, that you are sacrificing. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be a Pisces, could also be other sign. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to isolate you, wants to see you stuck. And I feel like for some of you, you are no longer dealing with this stagnancy in your life. And it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Pisces, whatever they wish to you, it backfires. Yeah. And now this person is feeling stuck and feeling like in the limbo. This person could be contemplating what's the best remedy in order to have an access with you, because I feel like you give this person a silent treatment, and now this person is contemplating what to do, planning how to have an access with you. Could be a Pisces, could also be other sign. This person is feeling stuck. This person is feeling isolated. Their lives is stagnant. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Sun. Wow. You see, this is not your energy. Somebody is stuck. Somebody is feeling like in a limbo. This is the person you are dealing with, because this is your energy. This is your energy in the distant future, around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo. It could also be that if you are not, what do you call this? If you change your negative mindset, that you are feeling you are struggling or sufferings, it could also be that if you eradicate these negative feelings of feeling stuck or sufferings, that will lead you to your success, happiness, prosperity, abundance, and prosperity, because this is your card before the Sun. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. This is all about positivity. It's just like the vibrancy of summer shining into your life. Your life is flourishing. Your life is stunning. It could also be that you are going to welcome a newborn baby here. It could be you that you are going to give birth with this newborn baby. Congratulations. Could also be in your family. It could also be that this is your feelings. You are feeling like a newborn child. It's because after all the devastated storm in your life, this chaos and destruction, the turmoil, and the catastrophic scenario was gone. And this is, you find the light at the end of the tunnel. For some of you, this is related to your success, prosperity, health, abundance, and healing. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Leo wants to heal the grudges and the trauma between you and them. I don't know who is this person. Could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. For some of you guys, I feel like this person viewed you as their sun. You are their lights and their happiness. Could be a Leo. It could also be that you are becoming more productive in your life, and there is prosperity, success, and development. It's because you accept your weakness and your flaws. You are free of your guilt and shame. And that's why for some of you, you are enjoying your freedom, and it could also be that you show vulnerable. You are being vulnerable once again, and you are following your heart. This is like you are free. Yeah. It could also be that you have too many illuminations and you have seen the truth, especially the things happened in the past, and you already accepted whatever happens in the past. And this is, you have a mental clarity, and that's why you are happy and productive. There is progress here as well, success and healing. Others of you guys, you are continuing your healing journey. For some of you, you already held your past trauma. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Two of Pentacles. This is the past experiences and influences in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are balancing, or you are trying to find balance in your life. It could also be that you are juggling. It could also be that you are maintaining the control or the balance of your life. This is both physical and financial aspects. Could also be that you have an internal struggle. I don't know what is your story here. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn. Could be this person is juggling on you. Could also be that this person is working their financial matters, and maybe this person wants to collaborate with you. This is also a Capricorn energy, double confirmation. It could also be that this person is juggling on you. Maybe this person is your new admirer or your ex. I don't know what is your relationship with this person. And now this person is or wants to give you balance in this relationship. I don't know who is this person in your life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy in your environment, either at home or in the workplace. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to your faith and commitment, and also related to your traditional values, family, beliefs, and religion. It could also be that this person wants to commit with you. This person views you as a marriage material. But the problem is, I feel like this person having different beliefs or religion with you, different tradition and culture. It could also be that there is a problem with this relationship. I don't know what is your story here. For some of you, it could also be that this person is going to ask, or this person wants to question your belief, your religion. It could also be that for some of you, you are more on spiritually rather than traditional values, and this person is more traditional rather than spiritual. Others of you, you are following your intuition. Maybe the nature of your job is related to spirituality, For some of you, it could also be that you are a shaman, a psychic. It could also be that you are a spiritual advisor, a guru, or star seed and or tarot card readers. I don't know. And you are focusing more on spiritual aspects of your life. You are following your intuition, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And if this person wants to marry you, maybe this person having problems because of beliefs and or religion. This person, I feel like this is what you call this. This person wants to bring this relationship into a higher commitment. If you are already engaged with this person, could be a Taurus. It could also be a new person, because this person views you as a marriage material and wants to commit you and to propose you a marriage proposal. And somebody here wants to question you with your belief. I don't know what is your story of this person. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart for some of you. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your immediate future energy around 3 weeks. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be that you are attracting a fire sign for some of you. I feel like this is a new creative spark. This is either a new ideas or a creativity. It could also be a new passion and desire. You are very enthusiastic. You are energetic. There is a fire in your heart. And you also accept this challenge. It's because you want to take an action. Could be a new creative spark or a new passion and desire. It could also be that this person having a strong desire on you. This person could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be other sign. Or this is your energy towards to this person who embodied the energy of a fire sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 7 of Pentacles. This is your hopes and fears in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. It could also be a group of people. This is about whatever you planted in the past. The seeds is growing. There is growth here. The things come into fruition. If this is an investment or a business venture, you have here gain and profit, but it's not too much. This is slowly growing. The universe reminds you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that if you want to build an empire, it could not be happen in 24 hours. That's why you need patience, courage, and perseverance. You need to nurture further with this. Creativity could also be an investment or a new business venture. It could also be that you need to change something here, because maybe there is more growth when you are going to change something. I don't know. You need to nurture further with this creativity, investment, or business venture. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Taurus wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could also be that this person reap what they sow in the past. I don't know. This is a metaphor, words, a figure of speech, that this person reap what they sow in the past. Could be that this person is your ex, or it could also be a new person. I don't know. Could also be a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears in this reading. And we're going to see the final outcome of this reading is the Queen of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You are very confident, and you take good care of yourself. You look good, you smell good, and you feel good in your own skin. You don't need other people to validate you because you knew your worth. It doesn't matter if you are male or female because in tarot, there is no gender. And this is your energy. You are gorgeous, charming, magnetic, and sensual. You are also very attractive. And the people drawn your energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Leo. Could also be that this person finding you very attractive and sensual. Yeah. Could also be that this person wants to socialize you. Could be a Leo. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, this is the final outcome. You embody the energy of the Queen of Wands or the King of Wands. It doesn't matter because in tarot there is no gender. And in tarot it could also be reversal. So please take note which is your energy in this reading. And there is no age limits in tarot as well. You are the Queen or the King of Wands. You are attractive, magnetic, gorgeous, charming, sensual. You knew your worth. You are a go-getter. You are the sign of a person who is knowing their worth. Because you don't need other people to validate you. You are so confident. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here, the outside influence is the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign or a group of people. Somebody here is stuck in the old scenario. Somebody here couldn't let you go. Somebody here is still clinging your energy. Could be a Cancer, could also be a group of people. This group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community, because this is a past scenario. Somebody has missed the opportunity in love and relationship with you. And it could also be that this person is still clinging in your own energy, still holding on your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. It's because you have always an infinite potential to change these negative feelings and emotions into a positive one. You don't have to dwell with the past. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ten of Swords. This is to clarify the outcomes of this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Could also be a group of people in the past, because this is the past scenario. This is the closure of the tough and painful cycle in your life. You managed to close it because you realize that there is nothing for you to look behind. You live and close this painful scenario, cycles in your life, where people are causing too much pain and burdens in your heart and in your mind. Could be that this group of people in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. You are no longer dealing with this anymore. For some of you, you cut off the ties and you detach your energy. Maybe you see some of them, but in your mind, you already detach. Others of you, you block this person or group of people in the social media and in your mobiles because you don't want to deal with their BS anymore. Enough is enough. You have gone through in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This group of people in the past betrayed you, tried to destroy you. This group of people gossiping lies and rumors about you. For some of them, they engage you in a black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. And whatever they did to you never worked. And now, it is backfires on them. Because for most of these people are majority envy or jealous on your aura and in your energy. It doesn't matter if you, this is not about jealousy of your car, your career, your resources, because For most of these people, they have lots of resources to compare with you. But the truth is they are envy and jealous of your energy, of your aura, because on how you carry yourself, because on how you present yourself to the public, because on how you maintain your life balance, on how you survive all the trials and the tribulations. And that's why they are envy and jealous on you. And this person in the past, I never said all, because somebody is commenting, oh, I don't think that there are people who are jealous on me and want to destroy me and something like this, something like that. That's why I said, if this is not your energy, don't bother, because you are not only Scorpio in this reading. This is a general and timeless reading. If this is not your energy, you can leave, because this is not a personal reading. Yeah. Okay, we continue. And I feel like this group of people doesn't want you to move on, because this group of people are intimidated with your lights. Your light is shining bright, because you look, after all what they have done to you, you have found the light at the end of the tunnel. And that's why these people are triggered on you. They want you to be like this, to destroy you, to end you up. For some of them, they are wishing your downfall. They are wishing that you will meet an accident, a car accident or whatsoever. And now they are feeling backstabbed by you, because you cut off the ties of this group of people and you are no longer dealing with your energy. This is a closure of the top cycle in your life. They couldn't believe that whatever they did to you didn't work, and now you find the light at the end of the tunnel. Your life is flourishing, your life is shining, and you have also success and prosperity in your life. You already held your past trauma, and that's why they couldn't believe. The fact is, they want you to be like this. They backstab you. They put 10 swords in your back because they want to destroy you. But it didn't work, because you find the light at the end of the tunnel. You have also success, prosperity, healing, and illuminations. You are not stuck. This person or group of people are in the limbo, feeling stuck. They are isolated with their energy. This group of people who causes you too much pain and burdens in your heart in the past, that you managed to close this cycle, the painful and tough cycle in your life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the 10 of Swords here. Why the 10 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 10 of Swords here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the 10 of Swords here? The 10 of Swords is clarified as family. Yeah. Could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart, and this person wants to have a family with you, to be the mother or the father of their children. Yeah. Could be a Gemini, because the 10 of Swords is embodied the energy of a Gemini, but you already closed the cycle. You already ended up this cycle. Goodbye, all the pain and sorrow. And you are no longer dealing with this anymore. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the 4 of Cups here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the 4 of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the 4 of Cups here, please. Why the 4 of Cups here? The 4 of Cups is clarified as foundation, established family security. You see, this person could also be wants to have a family with you. Could be a Cancer, could also be other sign. It could also that this person is your ex, and this person maybe you already rejected. This person or this person felt rejected by you because you are no longer dealing with this person anymore. Could be a Cancer. And this person wants to have a family, a strong foundation, an established family with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. So there are two persons wants to have a family with you. One is Gemini and the other one is Cancer. It could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the star in this reading. Why the star here, please? Tell me more about the star in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see. The star is clarified as distance, separation, space, and blockage. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like, yeah, the sun or the star? The star, sorry guys. I misinterpret the sun and the star. Sorry. This is the star. Yeah. This is your, we have to go back because I misinterpret the sun and the star. This is your destined energy, the star. I feel like for some of you, you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye, or it could also be that both of you is in the public eye. And for some of you guys, I'm sorry for the misinterchange of the sun and the star. It could also be that this is related to the past scenario. Maybe you have grudges and trauma with this person, and this person wants to heal the trauma or grudges between you and them. Could be an Aquarius. Sorry, it's not a Leo because I thought that this is a sun. And I feel like for some of you guys, it could also be that the universe reminds you that you are on the right path. Maybe for some of you, you have a sacred insights, or it could also be that the universe advises you to use your gift to inspire and to give hopes to other people. This is also that you find the light at the end of the tunnel after the devastated storm in your life. It could also be that for some of you, you are giving hope and inspiration to other people. Maybe you have a platform in the social media and that makes you a star. There is healing, illuminations, and tranquility in your surroundings. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius, you are not dealing with this. This is the star. This is an Aquarius energy. Wants to heal the relationship between you and them. Could be a grudges, or could also be a trauma. This person could be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, could also be in your workplace, your ex, or in the community. It could also be that this person viewed you as a star because you inspired them and you also give hopes to them. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this is the clarification of the star, not the sun. I'm sorry for the misinterchange. Maybe you are living far from each other with this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. Could also be that this person is your ex, and there is a distance between you and them. You have, maybe you are separated each other. There is a blockage and space. Maybe this person is one of this group of people who causes you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. It could also be that you are no longer communicating with this person. Maybe for some of you, you already blocked this person in your social media and in your mobiles. You are no longer engaging your energy. You detach your energy because you already closed this painful cycle in your life, the tough and painful cycle. And this person could be living far away from you. There is a distance here, a blockage and a space, because blockage is no communication. Yeah. Could be an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and sorry for the misinterchange. Clarify me please the Queen of Wands. Show me the cards what I need to see please. Why the Queen of Wands here please? The Queen of Wands, sorry guys, is clarified as elusive, dishonesty, deception, and trickery. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. This is, yes, now is a Leo. And I feel like this person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, in your friend circle, could also be in your community. I don't know who is this person in your life. This person could be one of this group of people who causes too much pain and burdens in your heart. Could be a Leo. This person backstabbed you in the past. This person created too much chaos and turbulence in your life. Could be a Leo. And I feel like this person is an illusion. This is not a real deal. This person did trickery behind the scenes. This person is dishonest on you. Could be a Leo. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could also be other side. But the Queen of Wands is embodied the energy of a Leo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Hierophant in this reading. Why the Hierophant here? Tell me more about the Hierophant here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Hierophant here? The Hierophant is clarified as curse, hex, witchcraft, negative mind. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. It could also be that this person having a negative mind related to your spirituality. Could also be that this person is as spirituality haters, yeah, and having a negative mind. Could also be that this person viewed you as a witch, and you are doing a love spell or magic to them. Could be that this person is questioning your belief, because this person believed that you are, yeah, you are a witch. This person having a negative mindset towards on you. It's because of your spirituality. It's because of your belief. I don't know. Although this person wants to commit on you. And now, this person viewed you as a witch. Maybe this person is now scared on you. My beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Taurus. Could also be other sign. And this person having a negative mind about your beliefs. Could be a Taurus. Take only what fits in your story. For some of this person, for some of you guys, it could also be that this person is engaging you in a love spell, a witchcraft, voodoo, or black magic. Could be a Taurus. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me please the Hangman in this reading. Why the Hangman here, please? Tell me more about the Hangman. The Hangman is clarified as beginnings, try again, new direction, start over. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, and this person wants to have a new beginnings with you, to have a fresh start, to try again with this relationship. Could be a Pisces, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me please the Seven of Pentacles here. Why the Seven of Pentacles here, please? The Seven of Pentacles is clarified as clarity, truth, intentions, and honesty. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Taurus want to give you a clarity, wants to tell you the truth and the honesty. Could also be that this person is your ex, and this person now is reaping what they sow on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person wants to nurture the relationship. This person wants to tell you the truth, the clarity, and honesty. Could be a Taurus, could also be other sign. Clarify me please the Three of Pentacles here. Why the Three of Pentacles here, please? The Three of Pentacles is clarified as divine masculine, young masculine energy. Could also be that this person viewed you as a divine or divine masculine or divine feminine. It doesn't matter because in Tauro there is no gender. Could be a Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, and clarify me please the Eight of Wands here. Why the Eight of Wands in this reading? Tell me more about the Eight of Wands here please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Eight of Wands here? The Eight of Wands is clarified as escaping, avoiding, blocking, pushing away. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. And this person's feelings towards on you, this person feels that you are escaping, you are pushing them away, or you are blocking them. Could be a Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And clarify me please the Page of Pentacles here. Why the Page of Pentacles in this reading please? The Page of Pentacles is clarified as confusion, uncertain, unclear, unsure. Could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart, and this person is confused at this moment in their lives because this person is unsure of this. Maybe they want to approach you, maybe they want to, what do you call this? Maybe they want to nurture the relationship between you and them, and this person is confused, unsure, and this person is, could be that this person is indecisive. Their minds aren't clear. Maybe this person is taking drugs or maybe drinking too much alcohol that caused them this mindset, unsure and confused. I don't know. Could be a Virgo. Could also be that this person is scared on you. I don't know. That's why this person is confused or unsure, not clear if they will approach or nurture this relationship between you and them, or this creativity to offer, this investment or a business venture. This person is not sure, or you are not sure to offer this person with this new creativity, this business venture or an investment, because you are not sure if this person is true to you, if this person can manage or can handle this new creativity. I don't know what is your energy here. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading, and if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here, and thanks as well for supporting to my channel. Until the next time, namaste. I love you all. Bye.